Monkey River Village, a community threatened by coastal erosion. Monkey River Village is one of the oldest communities in Belize, whose name is derived from the river which it borders. It is located at latitude 16 degrees 21 minutes north and longitude 88 degrees 28 minutes west and some 136.79 kilometers south of Belize City. Monkey River Village has traditionally been a fishing and agricultural community. In fact, in 1891, Monkey River Village was renamed Monkey River Town because of the prosperity that agriculture brought to the municipality. The population during that time averaged 2,500 inhabitants, and the town thrived until the 1930s when the agricultural industry collapsed. As a result of this collapse and the loss of several properties to the sea and limited opportunities for economic development, residents were forced to relocate. The population of the village drastically decreased and is currently estimated to be around 200 residents. Monkey River Village has been battling coastal erosion since the 1930s. There have been significant losses of property, infrastructure, and beach. The Monkey River Beach is considered to have one of the fastest rates of erosion in Belize. Since 2005, students from the Center for Resource Management and Environmental Studies, known as CERMES, of the University of the West Indies Cave Hill campus in Barbados, have been collecting data on the rate of coastal erosion on the Monkey River Beach. Annually, CERMES students conduct beach profiling using the Emery board method. Beach profiles are measured from the landward limit of the back shore to the surf zone. For this exercise, 7 profiles were predetermined from location seaward in 5-meter segments to the offshore step. Each profile was tied to a benchmark related to known vertical datum. A pole was placed at the first control point and a 5-meter segment was measured horizontally using a measuring tape. A pole was placed at this point as well, and a GPS waypoint was recorded. The height above sea level was also measured and recorded. An additional 5 meters was measured from the second pole, and the first pole was removed and placed in the second 5-meter segment. A GPS waypoint was recorded at this point, and the height above sea level measured and recorded again. This process continued until the offshore step was reached and all GPS points and elevations above sea level recorded. Sediment samples were collected from the high water mark and the offshore step to determine the composition of fine, medium, and coarse sediment and their correlation to that of riverine sediment. The Emery board method of beach profiling was used to determine the rate of erosion and accretion along the Monkey River coastline. It was estimated that as much as 7 meters of beach was lost to coastal erosion from previous studies conducted. As a result of the rapid rate of coastal erosion, the burial ground, primary school, infrastructure, and several houses are now threatened. Researchers from Galen University have suggested that the beach erosion and coastal land loss among Monkey River Village can be attributed to the stresses of the river system of the Monkey River watershed, the effects of marine and climatic conditions on the Gulf of Honduras, and the effects of global climate change. Principally, stresses on the river system are the diversion of water for agricultural purposes, which have caused a reduction of sediment transport to the coast and have exacerbated the existing stressors on the coastline. They further stated that local wave climate and episodic storms generate waves coupled with high tides which affect the beach equilibrium and result in the lateral and longshore sand sediment displacement. This has also resulted in the accretion of sediment, low wave energy, and the formation of a tombola in the northern end of the beach, which is at the mouth of the river, and the rapid rate of recession at the southern end of the beach. There have been several attempts by both the residents and their village council to stem the tide of coastal erosion. These attempts included the use of palmetto barricades, sandbags, branches, and driftwood. It was observed that the most recent attempt by the local village council included the use of stakes and tires to reduce the wave action on the coastline, resulting in the buildup of sediment in the area and the construction of houses near the coast on stilts. Most of the attempts at coastal erosion control conducted by residents, however, have been short-lived and only serve as a means of temporary control. Through the social survey conducted in Monkey River Village, residents strongly feel that the coastal erosion is occurring as a result of the agricultural practices being conducted in the riparian areas of Bladen, Swayze, Trio, and Monkey Rivers. Monkey River Village, once a thriving agricultural and fishing community, is existence now threatened by coastal erosion.